Hello, welcome to this video review on Overlays.uno, an amazing platform you can use to display powerful objects, lower thirds, and panels over your video recordings and live streams. It works seamlessly with tools like OBS Studio, Ecamm Live, EasyLive.io, Vimix, and many others. As you log in, head to the left and go to New Overlay to explore a rich collection of overlay elements, including lower thirds, animated titles, horizontal scrolling text, full-screen animations, and text panels. You can also find timers, social call-to-action elements, and even scoreboards designed for sports like football, hockey, and handball. At this point, let's see how to record and go live with this overlay, for example, while using OBS Studio. First of all, check a full-screen preview by going to the three dots button of the overlay and going to Preview. If this looks fine, head to Copy Output URL to get a link. This is the link you have to import into OBS as a new browse source by pasting it and matching the source resolution with the output of your video. On the OBS preview, place and resize the source as you like to fit your layout. Once done, you are ready to go recording or streaming with it. You can also customize your overlays easily. Just double-click on any to open the dedicated editing page, with options depending on the overlay type chosen. You can quickly edit text, change icons, and modify visuals to match your project. You can also include your own logo and website links by uploading your media directly into the platform. It is very quick and easy to adjust speed, duration, loop settings, color schemes as you like, as well as positioning and scaling. You can go to Output Settings in the top right corner to choose among several variants with proper video resolution options or background color over certain overlay types. If you have ideas over overlays and their variants, make sure to check the official Discord page of Overlays.uno and leave your feedback right away. All these modifications are effective live, as you can see from the OBS Studio project shown, without the need of importing or updating manually the overlay. The platform also includes overlay slots, which are very powerful and flexible if you need to reuse a specific element on the video. Each slot is a variation of the overlay made on the go, for example by changing content, logo, or text, by keeping the same design and structure. This is useful when you feature multiple speakers, segments, or events without the need to duplicate and work with loads of different overlays. All you have to do is to click on the play button. Overlays.uno also gives you the option to control your elements on air within the software you use to make recordings or streaming. In the interested overlay, head to Copy Control URL and paste the link as a new browser source in OBS Studio. This shows the control page live with all the overlay settings directly within OBS so that you can edit appearance, content, and slots to run without coming back to the platform. At this point, place the control page behind your main content and interact with it to apply your modifications on the go. Very helpful during interviews, presentations, or live commentary. For even better control, switch to the settings section so that you can increase the number of panels and have all the options you need in the same place for a fast and smooth workflow. Thank you for watching this review. To explore more about Overlays.uno, check the video in the video description and consider joining the Ambassador program right away.